And for anybody that was wondering about those Gros Michel bananas, the two bigger ones are really taking off and growing. They even sprouted a couple of baby pups there. But the one pup that we had up and died, I had to pull it up. And the other little pup just disappeared. But this one that I got my hand on here is doing fine. But here's our choke. See how it just grows right out the side of the banana plant? This up here is separate. And it just started growing right out the side. I always thought that was kind of neat. If something goes wrong, they just pop out the side and keep on growing. Thanks for watching.